All right, so we have a 3-light setup in the studio. Today our location is
Ignite Studios.
Tell us about what is your take on this studio?
I think it's really cool. I love the feathers, the different lights, how it's like voice activated is really, really cool. I like this blue wall over here. I like all the accessories. I just like it. You did a really good job.
It's a really cool spot. We just got here today. This is our second video of this weekend. It's a badass studio. We have a badass model on the way. And so everything's going good so far. Yeah. So one thing, let's talk about tips. All right, so if there is a brand new photographer who sees this video and says, oh my God, I want to shoot that model, what does that brand new photographer need to say in order for you to consider shooting with them?
Definitely reach out to me in a professional manner and just be honest with me. Just be transparent. Just say, oh, I wanna shoot with you. What kind of vision would you have? What kind of content can we create? And just being honest and transparent, and then we can figure something out. Cool, professional.
Let's talk about the message process. If somebody were to write, let's say like a 10-paragraph essay, talking about how, hello, I'm so-and-so, I bought my first camera when I was 10, my passion is this, and my lifelong dream has been to work with people as amazing as you, and I'm not going to shoot anything bad, although I don't have anything to show for it, I promise that I'm going to be blah, 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 blah.
Yeah, you want to be straight to the point. Don't have those lengthy paragraphs. Just like Instagram captions, you don't read them when they're too long, right? So you want to keep it nice and short and straight to the point. So
nice and sweet.
Nice and sweet.
So an example would be, hey, love your look. Let me know if you'd like to work together. Short and sweet. Because at that time, they're going to take a look at your work. And you have to be realistic. If you don't have anything to show for it, you're probably not going to have a lot of success. This is one of the most important parts of being a photographer. You've got to learn how to pass through? Mm-hmm. It sounds like poop. You have to get past all of the rejection. It's called paying your dues. The way I look at it is it's kind of testing you to see if you really want this bad enough. When I first started, I was rejected every single day. I still remember the first person that said yes. And I appreciate them so much because they are the ones who allowed me to start on this journey. That sounds so corny.
Career.
That was cheesy, huh?
That was a little cheesy, but I liked it.
Yeah. But if you want something bad enough, then you're going to do whatever it takes to get there. And so if you are facing through a lot of rejection, if you're going through your messages and not a lot of people are replying to you, suck it up, keep going. You got it. Just keep practicing your craft, and then one day, maybe you'll be able to send a message to someone that you look up to, and they'll answer you and say, oh my God, I would love to work with you. Hopefully that makes sense. Well, today we're going to use 3 lights. I've got 2 200s on a dual head adapter. I've got 1 300 down there and 1 300 down there. The whole point of this light setup is to showcase muscles. If you notice, the key light is off to her side. It's not in front here. Reason why is because I want to darken that background there. So, feather the key so it doesn't hit the background. You'll darken the background. My settings, I'm on ISO 100, 1/160, and f5. Power of the lights, my key is 1/16. Light down there is 1/32, and light down there is 1/32 as well. I've got the 300 Pros, then I've got the 2 200s on the dual head adapter. Ready?
Yeah, let's go.
Let's go.
Ooh.
There's no escape, don't look away. Something is coming now, it's on the way. It's going down, feel it right now. Lost in the rhythm of color and sound. This is unreal, strange and surreal. This is the future and I got the feel. Make you say oh, make you say wow. It's all right here and right now. Jaw dropping, eye popping, jaw dropping. Are you ready for this now? Jaw dropping, eye popping, no stopping. Are you ready for this now? Jaw dropping, jaw dropping, eye popping. Take a look at me now. Jaw dropping. Are you ready for this now? I feel it shake like an earthquake. I watch the ground as it's starting to break, crumbling down. Here it comes now, crashing like waves of color and sound. Like anything.
Yeah.
you've ever seen.
Dang, you sound like you're a
Like a
horse.
music video, bro. It's like a music
Going
video.
with the yeehaw country thing. Yeehaw.
She's weird, man.
Oh, super weird. Only with you. Where's the music go, though?
Since we're not recording,
Oh, yeah.
I appreciate you. Take us home. Go.
Oh, so we just did the 3 strobe lights. It was really, really awesome. I even learned something, so you guys need to check out this video to learn for yourself.
They're already watching it, though.
What?
They're already watching
Oh, they're already watching.
You need to watch it.
You need to continue watching, okay, and watch all the other videos after this, okay? And the ones before this.
Oh, yeah, there we go.
Yeah, there we go.
Where can they find you?
Instagram and Facebook, J. Douglas Hiley Fit on Instagram and just J. Douglas Hiley on Facebook.
And if you didn't learn anything, just go straight to the DM. Send her long paragraphs. She loves it. She loves it when you send pictures of yourselves, too.
Oh yeah, especially the nude ones. Those are the best, right? Woo, my faves.
I'm not taking blame for that. I did not set her up. She wants
Queen of sarcasm over here, everybody, ladies and gentlemen.
She wants the pictures. Don't tag me in it. All right, y'all. Hopefully you learned something. Super easy light setup. The big thing with this light setup, make sure that you keep in mind where the light is and where the model has her face. Light there. If there's anything between the light source and the face, it's going to cause a shadow. So that's probably the biggest takeaway. The last year has been super, super hard on a lot of people. So make sure you support all those who are contributing to the advancement of creativity. Did that sound fancy?
That was really good.
Make that up. This place has been amazing. They've been very hospitable, and so please be sure to check them out on Instagram. If you're in the San Diego area, please consider renting this place because the main dude here has put in so much time and effort. The place is incredible, and we've just stayed in like one little tiny corner. So if you want to check out the other video where we have the light bars, click up here, and she's featured in that video as well.
Yeah.
And anything else?
No, I think you got it. Good stuff.
All right. If you liked what you saw, leave a thumbs up. If you do not like what you saw, complain and send her more pictures. Yeah. All right, y'all. We'll see you in the next video. See ya.
Bye, guys.